The night was silent except for the rhythmic ticking of the clock and the occasional rustling of blankets. Maya sat in the dimly lit nursery, cradling her newborn son, Ayan, in her arms. The exhaustion from childbirth still weighed heavily on her, but there was no room for rest. Ayan needed to be fed. She unbuttoned her nightgown, her fingers trembling slightly as she adjusted herself. The books she had read made it seem simple, but now, in the quiet of the night, she realized how unprepared she felt. Ayan's tiny mouth searched instinctively, and when he latched on, a sharp pain shot through Maya's body. She gasped, her eyes welling with tears. "Is this